Changing leverage on Oanda is a straightforward process that allows traders to manage their risk exposure. To begin, it is essential to understand what leverage is and how it affects trading. Leverage is a loan provided by the broker to the trader, enabling them to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. To change leverage on Oanda, first, log into your Oanda account and navigate to the account settings or dashboard. Look for the leverage or account settings option, which is usually found under the account information or settings tab. Click on this option to access the leverage settings. Next, select the account for which you want to change the leverage. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you choose the correct one. Oanda allows traders to have different leverage settings for different accounts, so it is crucial to select the correct account. Once you have selected the account, you will see the current leverage setting. Oanda offers a range of leverage options, typically from 1:1 to 50:1, depending on the account type and market conditions. To change the leverage, simply select the desired leverage ratio from the drop-down menu or enter the new leverage value manually. After selecting the new leverage, review the changes to ensure they are correct. It is essential to understand that changing leverage will affect your trading capacity and risk exposure. Higher leverage can result in higher profits, but it also increases the risk of significant losses. When you are satisfied with the new leverage setting, confirm the changes. Oanda may require you to acknowledge the risks associated with the new leverage level. Read the warning carefully and confirm that you understand the implications of the change. Finally, verify that the leverage change has been successfully applied to your account. You can do this by checking the account settings or dashboard again. The new leverage settings should be reflected, and you can begin trading with the updated leverage. Best practices for changing leverage on Oanda include carefully considering the risks and benefits of the new leverage level, monitoring your account balance and trading activity, and adjusting your leverage as needed to manage risk exposure. It is also essential to understand that Oanda may have specific rules and regulations regarding leverage, so it is crucial to review the broker's terms and conditions before making any changes. By following these steps and understanding the implications of changing leverage, traders can effectively manage their risk exposure and optimize their trading strategy on Oanda.